Prodrive Composites is at its best when a customer comes to us at the early stage of designing a product that they want to manufacture in carbon fibre. The design from early concept right through to working with the styling guys and working right through to tool and then supply and then volume manufacture is how you get the best service from us.
We can take our customers' projects from the very beginning through to the very end with great confidence, repeatability and good quality because we've got people of experience at every stage.
The engineers and operators that work at Prodrive Composites come from a range of industries, from aerospace through to automotive. That gives us an advantage because we can take benefits from all of those different types of industry and introduce them into our customers' products. To define yourself as a genuine Tier 1 supplier in automotive, you have to achieve a certain quality standard. So Prodrive Composites was one of the first UK companies to achieve the IATK 16949 standard in composite supply.
Most of our customers and our potential customers have got great ideas about what to do with composites. And when you put their great ideas together with our great experience, we can make great things.